Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have the rights to change modes, otherwise the commands won't apply. Once confirmed, make a quick backup of the save or config so you can revert if needed. Next, open the in-game console or the server control panel. This is where you will enter mode changes. If the game uses a GUI setting, navigate directly to gameplay or server settings. Begin now by locating the exact control field that accepts the mode name or code. You now perform the switch. Enter the exact mode label or numeric value. Many systems are case-sensitive, so type carefully. If using a console, run the mode change command and watch for confirmation messages. If editing a config file, replace the mode line, save, and ensure file permissions remain intact. Once done, save settings in the GUI and tell active players about the impending change. Finally, apply the change by reloading the world or performing a quick server restart when prompted. You finish by verifying the change. Jump into the world and test essential mechanics that differ between modes, such as resource limits or enemy behavior. Make sure save integrity is intact and check logs for errors. If things look wrong, revert using your backup file and repeat the corrected steps. One quick troubleshooting tip. If the mode won't apply, check permission levels, command syntax, and then restart the server or client. Often a restart clears cache settings and completes the transition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.